Overthinking is ruining your success and you don't even realize it. In the next few minutes, I'm going to share with you how you can break free and take action fast. Today, I will reveal three simple but very powerful strategies that will help you stop overthinking and start moving forward no matter what's holding you back. But first, let's talk about how and why overthinking is costing you big time. Most people think overthinking is just being careful, but in reality, it's fear in disguise. It kills your confidence, creativity, and speed. It keeps you stuck while others move ahead. Overthinking is not problem solving, it is just your brain trying to create problems for you, imaginary problems for you, to keep you from taking the action. Just think about it, how many times have you delayed taking an important decision only to realize later that taking the action was way easier than you thought? It's time to break the cycle. So, there are three strategies that can help you stop overthinking instantly. Strategy number one, the 5-second rule. Decide fast and move now. This rule has been made famous by Mel Robbins. It is so simple yet so effective. The moment you hesitate, count backwards 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and move. Why? Because your brain loves to talk you out of action. The moment you take more than 5 seconds, it fills your mind with all kinds of doubts, excuses, and fears. So, when you can use this strategy is when you feel that you want to do the work, but there is some resistance, or when you are over analyzing a decision, or when you feel that you are stuck in procrastination. So, next time when you catch yourself overthinking, start counting down and take the first step. It rewires your brain to take the action. Strategy number two, flip the script. What's the best that can happen to me? Most overthinkers obsess over the worst case scenarios. So they keep on asking themselves, what if I fail? What if this doesn't work out for me? So instead of asking these questions, ask yourself, what if this works out for me? What if I win? Our brain is designed to protect us from risk, from uncertainties, but it sometimes protects us from opportunities as well. But this one mindset shift can completely change how you approach challenges. Strategy number three, set a thinking deadline and then act. Most overthinkers tend to think that they need more time to figure out things, but in reality, more time is equals to more overthinking, and more overthinking is equals to more anxiety. So the solution is that you give yourself hard deadline to take a decision and then take the action. I will think and decide upon this within 10 minutes and then I am taking action. I have 24 hours to weigh my options and then I am taking the action. And when time is up, you move forward no matter what. You know what? The most successful women don't wait for perfect clarity. They decide and then they make their decisions right. Now it's your turn. Which of these three strategies will you use today to stop overthinking and move forward with confidence? Drop a comment below. And if you are ready to break free from overthinking, join my free community of Impactpreneur Queens, wherein I help women to take their decisions with clarity and confidence, and I support them to stay action oriented. And if this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more weekly mindset hacks. Let's grow together.